and for it on this bamboo?
See, this is a very, very primary meeting, I must say. I wanted to have a relation with Tripura regarding their bamboo, how they utilize bamboo, how they cultivate bamboo, how the bamboo is used industrially. So that's why I have come here. But I've just arrived, so just got introduced to certain variety of bamboos, and now I will go for the meeting. I'll understand how it is, what is the scenario, what kind of condition it requires, how industrially which bamboo is to be used, what kind of climatic conditions are suitable, and if everything works, we would love to have a MOU with Tripura government and start our bamboo mission in Maharashtra, taking advice from, of course, Tripura government.
So, ma'am, one Maharashtra company, if I am not mistaken, Mutha Industry,
Hmm.
they have started the first bamboo wood industry in Tripura. And
Yeah.
in sustainability and to preserve the forest instead of logs and other things, how bamboo can be utilized and give India a new shape with bamboo, because China is a big bamboo producer.
See, basically, if bamboo can be used in construction, bamboo can be used in making various products. I have seen, like,
Even in
as you,
firewood.
yeah, as you mentioned, in China, they are making like whole huge structures with bamboo. It can be a substitute for firewood also. All these things we are thinking. So basically, being an environment minister, I would like to uh, have substitute for basically all this. We are in trying to increase jungle. We are trying to have green zones and save basically nature. All these things, if we can substitute that, it will give employment to the rural India farmers, and allied business will give further employment to the area where we are going to plan this. Let's hope for the best if it is done. You want to say something on this?
Ma'am, would you be interested in giving a short bite in Marathi also?
हो, वाय
तुम्ही
नॉट.
इकडे आलेले आहात.
ॲज अ एन्व्हायरमेंट मिनिस्टर पक्ष म्हणून मी आधी आले होते. परंतु मला बांबू मिशन इथलं स्टडी करायचं आहे. या भागामधल्या बांबूला इंडस्ट्रियल यूज करण्यासाठी, म्हणजे बांबूचं इंडस्ट्रियल यूज करण्यासाठी, म्हणजे एक अल्टरनेट फ्युएल होऊ शकतं. कन्स्ट्रक्शनमध्ये सुद्धा बांबूचं स्ट्रेंथ जर आपण प्रॉपरली ऑब्झर्व करून त्या प्रकारचे बांबू केले, त्याच्यामध्ये ऑल्ट्रेशन केले, तर एक स्ट्रक्चर मोठे मोठे त्याच्यामध्ये उभं करू शकतो. त्याच्यामुळे पर्यावरणाला वाचवण्यासाठी आणखी काय करता येईल, आणि अलाइड एक उद्योग की बॅरन लँडवर बांबू लावला, किंवा ज्या शेतकऱ्यांच्या जमिनी जिथे पाणी कमी आहे किंवा जिथे काही दुसरं उगत नाही, तिथे काहीतरी इरिगेशनचा ड्रिपचा प्रयोग करून बांबू लावला, तर पण हे होऊ शकतं का, ह्याच्यावर मी आता काहीच टिप्पणी करू शकणार नाही, कारण माझी फर्दर व्हिजिट राहिलेली आहे, ज्याच्यात मी डिटेल चर्चा करणार आहे. इथे इवन बांबू वर प्रयोग करून सुद्धा वूड लॉग्ससारखे लॉग्स बनवले जातात, त्याचाही उपयोग होतो. आणि ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टींवर आम्ही आता अभ्यास करत आहोत.
So, ma'am, who will be the stakeholders who will be there in the meeting, today's meeting, ma'am?
See, environment department only right now, and when we are planning in Maharashtra, we will have a convergence where we want Aegis to come with us, we want rural development to come with us, we want Maharashtra State Livelihood Mission to join us.
Forest
So then
department.
forest department can join us, and like we will have a basically task force for this special mission. But only thing, it should suit environmentally there, and it should uh, have a allied industry and rural employment generation for that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.